Oats are a nutritious whole grain that provide numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of oats. Rich in nutrients. Oats are a good source of fiber, protein, and micronutrients such as manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. Lowers cholesterol. Oats contain a soluble fiber called beta-glucan that has been shown to lower LDL bad cholesterol levels. Controls blood sugar. The soluble fiber in oats also helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can help control blood sugar levels. Promotes healthy digestion. Oats contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Provides energy. Oats are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy and help to keep you feeling full for longer. Supports weight loss. The fiber in oats can help to promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, which can be helpful for weight loss. Reduces inflammation. Oats contain avenotyramides, a group of antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Promotes heart health. The beta-glucan in oats has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by reducing blood pressure and improving blood flow. Boosts immunity. Oats contain various nutrients, such as zinc and selenium, which are essential for immune system function. Enhances skin health. Oats contain compounds that have been shown to improve skin health, such as reducing inflammation and moisturizing the skin. Reduces the risk of cancer. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in oats may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon cancer. Improves sleep. Oats contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep, which can help promote better sleep quality. Gluten-free option. Oats are naturally gluten-free, which makes them a great option for people who have celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Overall, oats are a versatile and nutritious food that can provide a wide range of health benefits. They can be enjoyed in various forms, such as oatmeal, granola, or in baked goods, and are an easy way to incorporate more whole grains into your diet.